What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thank you everyone that helped us reach 500 subs. I woke up today, we hit 500, and I just need to get better at filming. We've been very busy. I'll show you guys a couple things going on here. Got this Corvette fully wrapped in diamond white with stripe. We did the roof black, the pillars black. We did the back end black on it. I'm almost done with my personal car, my 300ZX, wrapped in matte black. Got the wheels powder coated. That one's almost done. Had a commercial job for Omni Money. This is going down to Florida. Got a food truck job in here. That one I finished up yesterday. And then I got 2 trucks coming in today to get tinted. We started offering window tint, so we've been even busier now. But I want to get better at filming and try to stay on top of it. So I just thought I'd start a video and kind of see where it went. So that's kind of what's been going on. Once the truck gets in here, maybe we'll focus on the tint for a minute, since that's something new to the channel. And we'll go from there. All right, let's jump right into it. Ford F-150, whole thing going 20%. I'll set up a time lapse. Let's get it rolling. So the truck's almost done. I grab a microfiber here. We gotta go make a pit stop. I gotta go do a hood wrap on a Camaro real quick for the dealership, but it's looking good. Windows are done, the back's done. We just gotta do the eyebrow. So I'll do the eyebrow once I'm back, but let's go ahead and cut to the Camaro. Trying to do this with one hand. I'm at the dealership here. I just finished up the Camaro, so try to get a video of it pulling out real quick. Okay, well, not the best video I could have gotten, but all right, let's get back to the shop. So that video was pretty much everywhere. I didn't get to film the end of the tint, but turned out great. Coming to pick up the vet. I got the Z done here. I'll show you guys that. Z's all done. I gotta clean it. I'll show you the back, or I like the back here. Hold on. Whew. Looks good. Sunday I got a Audi coming in that's getting wrapped in matte black, so I'm gonna start a good video on that and try to get back into this. So I just wanted to post something to get back in the flow. And then I got a couple weeks from now, we got another Nissan Z coming in, so be ready for that. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.